Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I want to tell you about cryptocurrency. Hobby founder to sell his stake at $3 billion. Benchman, Fred and Justin Sun in talks on fast hedging. Leon Lee, the founder of crypto exchange Huobi Global, is reportedly looking to sell the majority of his stakes in the company in an acquisition deal that may be worth as much as $3 billion. Huobi to sell 60% stake. According to Tuesday reports, Leon Lee is trying to sell up almost 60% of his stake in Huobi, an exchange that accounts for 5% of all crypto trading volume. The ideal is valued at between $2 and $3 billion. According to the report, service existing investors, including Zenfund and Square China, were informed about litigation during a shareholder meeting last month. Although the potential deal has been confirmed by a hobby representative, they did not provide full details. Bankman Fried and Justin Sun in talks. Reports suggest that Lee envisioned the new shareholders as powerful and resourceful people. In addition, the potential stockholders should freeze a high volume on the hobby name and put more resources into driving its growth. Insiders familiar with the deal have stated that if the ex-founder Sam Bankman Fried and turn founder Justin Sun have entered a preliminary talks with Huobi on purchasing the stake. Since the crypto winter started, Bankman Fried's company has given crypto lender Voyager Digital a two $200 million loan and a $250 million revolving credit to Blackfeet. He recently said that his company still has a few billion to sort up starting frames. Why you should count the possible $3 billion deal, which is said to be completed before the end of this month. Collateral ought to be one of the largest in the cryptocurrency market. So, mm, hobby to sell 60% stake. According to a Tuesday report, Leon Lee is trying to sell off almost 60% of his stake in Huobi, an exchange that accounts for 5% of all crypto trading volume. The deal is followed at between $2 and $3 billion. According to the report, Chubby's existing investors, including James Fund and Queer China, were informed about this decision during a shareholder meeting last month. Okay, guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.